Troll tutorial. How to make pizza. Step 1. Make the dough. First, get a bowl with a wide base. Then add 2½ cups of warm water, a tablespoon of sugar, but don't worry, it won't make the dough sweet. Then 1 teaspoon of dry yeast and wait 5 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now for the flour. I recommend using high-protein flour, but all-purpose works as well. Add 5 cups. That is actually not enough to make the dough, but we will add some more while we need. Now just mix it up with a spatula until you can't really work it anymore. It's time to get your hand in there now. Sprinkle some flour onto the table, then take out the dough and place it on the working surface. I would tell you that there's a specific way to knead the dough, but really, you just play with it. Pull it. Stretch it. Bring it back together. When it gets so sticky you can't work with it anymore, just sprinkle some more flour onto it. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes and you're done. Step 2. Separate the dough. Cut your dough in half. Then do the same for the other halves. Each one of these is enough for a large oven-sized pizza. Step 3. Prepare the dough. Put one of the balls in a bowl and cover it with a towel. Let it rise for about 2 hours. The rest of the balls are going to be refrigerated. Get 3 glass containers. Oil them a little so the dough won't stick. Now shove them into the refrigerator. After 24 hours they are ready to be baked, but you can let them sit for up to a week. They get better as they age. Step 4. Prepare the oven. You want to get your oven as hot as possible. Turn it on and wait for about an hour. Step 5. Prepare the pizza. After 2 hours the dough should have doubled in size. Sprinkle some flour onto a working surface. Now simply take a rolling pin and start rolling. Now onto the sauce. To make the sauce you need crushed tomatoes, salt, and a bit of oil. Mix them up and onto the pizza. Now, finally grate some Parmesan cheese. And add some chunks of mozzarella. You can obviously add anything you like, but this will be good enough. Step 6. Make the pizza. Put it on a tray and into the oven. Wait for 7 to 10 minutes. And you've got yourself a perfectly made pizza. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.